Urgent update for Bitcoin. London with Bitcoin Spike. I want to show you a pattern that no one is looking at in the marketplace. Hit the like button for me, please. And I also want to shout out tonight. We have Nick Balls, brand new base camper. He's going to be joining VIP with us, Top Trade Group. You're welcome to join along with us. We talked about the fan reversal. It's a confluent pattern with the Elliott wave discussions that we had discussed as well. As you guys are aware, we're discussing the essentially the expanding diagonal. I did let you know we were looking for prices below 20,000. What happened, guys? We did achieve the specific pricing below 20,000. Let's go ahead and look in on the lower time frames. Let me get into the 5 minutes, and I want to shout out to all the VIP. Nick, we're going to have a great rest of the 2022 year here, and we're just excited that you join us in VIP. I've known you for a while. It's nice to get you in the group. In terms of sub 20, we did hit into that 19, guys, sub 20,000, 19.8, 19.77. I have a pickup on a trade right here. Let's talk about that specific trade as well as Venus. I know that Venus is in a trade right now as well as VIP. 848%, my current trade. Venus at 478%. Guys, we trade, just so that you know, we do trade. Not overexposed, never overexposed at any higher price. In terms of the features here, let's go back to the charts. Let's go to the chart framework. This level of support today, we caught this level of support in the back. Hugely important. I say buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns. Looking at that flat top resistance, ascending line of support. Guys, always understand preceding level of resistance. Guys, what do we say? Show me a prior resistance. I'll show you orders at that level. Be prepared to operate at this level. The ascending triangle is a very strong feature, but they can be difficult depending upon the mood of the market. The amplitude move, we could be looking at another 4.3% move to the upside, 21,935 as the target. I'll tell you, the bulls right now are looking. And guys, this is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, non-SEC private hedge fund, but to let you know, it's not financial advice. In terms of level of resistance, bulls are looking to accomplish price up in this specific feature to 23,000 in this zone in operation with the level of support to resistance, that channel framework. That channel is also a part of a dynamic that must be discussed. We just talked about the micro ascending triangulation. Now let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we're looking at a specific, if we draw across from this specific point here to the right, we're looking at a flat top. We're looking at a newly established level of support that has come in from the buyers. Thus, we're looking at a very strong and bullish pattern, the ascending triangle, flat top resistance, ascending line of support. The micro move, that 4+% to the upside, could be accompanied, guys, by this macro ascending triangulation. Okay, slight ascension on this level of resistance. We don't like that. Okay, we discussed that in the stream quite a bit. In terms of the flat top resistance, ascending line of support, I just want to measure up to target. Looking at this 17.38%, phenomenal. From a breakout trade from the current price, we're looking at over 20%. Now, what is that confluent with? This is the important part of the video. What is the aspect that no one else is looking at, only the VIP and pro traders? I know, because where Wall Street goes to school, that would be the New York Institute of Finance. That's what we focus on with our TA, Top Trade Group. Want to shout out tonight also to Nick Balls. Nick, what is up, brother? Want to find you there. Boom. Nick just joined Basecamp. He'll be joining VIP. I'll get with you, Nick, soon. But Nick is a good old bud from 2021. So, Nick, we're looking forward to having you definitely in the group. Let's talk about the feature. And I'm excited, brother. Way to go. Way to go. Hit that button. In terms of, Nick's a great trader, by the way. In terms of level of support, flip to resistance. This is the pattern no one's looking at. And if you'd like more detail on this specific pattern, and let's go through the second feature before I invite you to do that. Level of support, boom, flip to resistance. This is the daily time frame. See that support flip to resistance? Boom. See this support, line 2, we have hit and a hit, guys. Boom, flip to resistance. You see that? Now we have a hit here and a hit here. Will we, boom, flip it to resistance at 26,700? Guys, that's the big question in the minds of anybody who really knows TA. I'm going to tell you guys, and Nick, I want to invite you and everybody else to get the New York Institute of Finance book. You'll find this copyright New York Institute of Finance. Look at the fan feature. You see a level of resistance flip to support. Right, level of resistance flip to support. 1, 2, 3. It's exactly what we have going on, looking at the framework of the macro to the downside. Okay, so we have the level of support, boom, flipped to resistance. Level of support, boom, flipped to resistance. Now the question here, and I'll bring up one slight warning. Okay, as we look at this last feature, that third line, level of support, boom, can we flip it to resistance? That's what I will expect. I'll say that's what I will expect with the warning. That if we go to the candle wick, very important, I always say 2022, guys, and be warned, just understand where we're at. Look at this candle wick function. Yes, this would imply that we're currently along the level of resistance, that level of prior support. Flip to, there's going to be the question, guys, that we're going to have to deal with at this level. Flip to resistance, period. That's going to be the question the bulls are currently dealing with, the ones who know how to trade, the ones who know the real TA. So from the line to that candle wick, we have a pretty vast, guys, a relatively vast differential here. 20%, guys, the move to the upside. If we're to reconfirm this level of preceding support to resistance, that's a 27% move. So the fact that the candle wicks are limiting us at this level as a line of current resistance, that we could get up and over on the lines, just pay attention to that differential. We're going to be trading on the micro, guys, as always. And we just look forward to 2022. We look forward to continuing to trade. The old rules that we use, guys, are easy. Buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. You guys know, again, London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, non-SEC. Welcome again to Nick Balls. We're very excited. I want to invite all of you to join our top trade group. You get the access to the rooms in the back. I want to shout out to Leo as well. Leo, what's up, my man from Australia? What's up, brother? We're going to shout out also to Venus. Brand new VIP, 478%. Look at her go, guys. Boom. Say hello to the hubby. We want to let you know. And anyone, guys, just looking at the framework of the charts in the back, you're not going to find this level of almost curated charts. Very impressive. I'm excited to provide those to you all. In terms of this link next to Texas, slam into this link. Join the top level of membership. That's the VIP. It'll give you access to those back rooms. I will walk you through your trade setup. I will walk you through your first hedge personally. Go ahead and slam in. Put I am VIP to the first pinned tweet. And it's crucial in 2022 for you to know that we are building. So I am always inviting the best traders, whether or not you're already the best trader, you want to become the best trader, I'm going to invite you to join our group. And I'd like to throw in something a little bit extra for the end of these specific videos so that anyone who has listened and waited could maybe pick up a small hint or a small potential move, a little bit more insight technically. This time it's going to be on the daily time frame. The specific daily time frame, while it looks very positive, I'm going to say this, in terms of your MACD, you'll see that MACD. Let's bring up the MACD. Do you see the MACD? Just rolling, starting to roll over positively here at the bottom of your screen. Boom, that light purple. Boom, it means we're rolling up in terms of momentum. What I'm going to point out is that we're in a specific rising wedge, technically a bearish feature. So the bulls are going to have to beat this bearish feature on the daily chart. Very important on the daily chart that the bulls are going to have to beat a daily pattern, guys, that's bearish. Very, very important to note that. It's going to be very important. But I would check that SAR, okay, the SAR, okay, the parabolic, okay, as you look at that parabolic SAR, okay, stop and reversal indicator. Why don't you check out that parabolic SAR? Let's see if we can flip the SAR to positive as we can get up and the bulls march through that. That would be a big flip of a key indicator. I hope you guys enjoyed this specific video. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll be streaming, and I guarantee you, will be trading, continuing to book positive trades in the back. I'll be continuing to walk new and established VIP through additional trade setups and an advancement in their trade career. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Appreciate everything. You guys take care. We'll be streaming tomorrow and having an incredible weekend, guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.